Can I see how long I have listened to a specific artist on Spotify?
Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to address a common question among Spotify users. Can I see how long I have listened to a specific artist on Spotify? As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, the direct answer is no. Spotify doesn't provide the exact total hours listened to an artist. However, there are a couple of ways you can get insights into your listening habits.
Spotify Wrapped.
One of the highlights of Spotify is the annual Spotify Wrapped feature. This is a year-end review that shows your top songs, artists, and genres, among other stats. If an artist appears in your top 5, it indicates that you've spent a significant amount of time listening to them over the year. However, it doesn't show the exact time spent.
Spotify Profile.
You can also look at your top artists on your Spotify profile, which lists the artists you've listened to the most recently. Again, this does not provide exact listening times but gives a sense of which artists you've been tuning into most frequently.
Using external applications.
There are some third-party applications, such as Last.fm, that can track your listening habits across different platforms, including Spotify. By connecting your Spotify account to Last.fm, you can get a detailed breakdown of your listening habits, including how much you've listened to individual artists. However, note that this data will only start accumulating once you've connected the accounts, so past listening data won't be included. So, while you cannot directly see how long you've listened to a specific artist on Spotify, there are various ways you can gauge your listening habits. Keep in mind to enjoy the music and let the tunes guide your moods. Thank you for tuning in, and happy listening. Note, remember that as of September 2021, this was the available information. Spotify may have updated or changed its features since then. Always check the latest Spotify guidelines or FAQ for the most accurate information.